ఈరోజు మీ జీవితం మీ చేతుల్లో అనే కార్యక్రమంలో భాగంగా మన రామకృష్ణ గారు తణికెళ్ళ. నమస్కారం అండి.
నమస్కారం దమయంతి గారు. నమస్కారం
ప్రముఖ లైఫ్ కోచ్, మరి లైఫ్ ఫెసిలిటేటర్ మరియు సైకాలజిస్ట్, ఇంకా ఎందరికో గురువులు, వారు శిష్యులను ఎంతోమంది తయారు చేస్తూ వారికి ఎంతో వెలుగు బాటల్ని చూపిస్తూ ముందుకు జీవితంలో ముందుకు తీసుకువెళ్తున్నారు. వారికి మరి మనందరి తరపున స్వాగతం, సుస్వాగతం అండి.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి.
ఒక చిన్న ప్రశ్న అండి, అసలు ఈ సైకాలజీ గురించి పక్కన పెట్టేస్తే ఫిజికల్గా కానీ సైకలాజికల్గా కానీ మనం హెల్తీగా ఉండడానికి ఉపయోగపడే ముద్రాస్ అనే దాని మీద కూడా మీరు ఎంతోమంది కోచింగ్ ఇస్తున్నారు, ఎన్నో క్లాసెస్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు, అలాగే స్కూల్స్కి వెళ్తున్నారు, కాలేజ్కి వెళ్తున్నారు ఎంతోమంది, అలాగే పెద్దవాళ్ళు ఏంటి చిన్నవాళ్ళు ఏంటి ఏజ్తో సంబంధం లేకుండా అందరికీ కూడా నేర్పిస్తున్నారు. అందుకని ఈరోజు ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ప్రధానంగా ముద్రాస్ గురించి మాట్లాడాలనుకుంటున్నానండి. ముద్రాస్ అంటే ఏంటి, అసలు అది ఎన్ని రకాలు ఉంటాయి, ఎందుకు చేయాలి, చేయకపోతే కలగకుండా మనం పొందకుండా ఆగిపోయే ప్రయోజనాలు ఏంటి, చేయటం వలన పొందే ప్రయోజనాలు ఏంటి, ఇవన్నీ కూడా మాకు తెలియజేస్తారా?
తప్పకుండా. ఈ ముద్రాస్ గురించి చెప్పే ముందు ప్రేక్షకులందరికీ మరోసారి నమస్కారం దమయంతి గారు. నా పేరు తనికెళ్ళ రామకృష్ణ. గత 23 సంవత్సరాలుగా బిహేవియరల్ స్కిల్స్, లైఫ్ స్కిల్స్లో అందరికీ ట్రైనింగు, ఫెసిలిటేషను అండ్ అలాగే మెంటారింగ్ కూడా చేస్తున్నాను. అలాగే సైకలాజికల్ కౌన్సిలింగు, సైకోమెట్రిక్ టెస్ట్ అండ్ అసెస్మెంట్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇవన్నీ ఒక భాగం అయితే ప్రేక్షకులందరికీ కూడా ఒకటి చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే, మన శారీరక ఆరోగ్యము, మానసిక ఆరోగ్యం రెండూ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. నేను చెప్పేవి ప్రొఫెషనల్ స్కిల్స్, ఎలా ఎక్సెల్ అవ్వాలి, ఎలా ఉండాలి. దాంతోపాటు గత 20 సంవత్సరాలుగా నేను నా పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ అక్రాస్ ఇండియా అవ్వచ్చు, మారుమూల ప్రదేశాల నుంచి అవ్వచ్చు, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా సుమారు ఈ 5 లక్షల మందికి కూడా నా ట్రైనింగ్స్తో పాటు చాలామందికి ముద్రాస్ మీద అవగాహన తెచ్చాను. నేను చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసింది వాళ్ళకి చెప్దాం అనుకున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ అసలు ముద్రాస్ అంటే ఏమిటి? ముద్రాస్ ఈజ్ వి డోంట్ నో రియల్లీ హూ స్టార్టెడ్ ఇట్. కొంతమంది పరమశివుడు అంటారు. అలాగే పతాంజలి ఋషి ఒక 3000 సంవత్సరాల ముందట ఈ ముద్రాస్ గురించి ప్రపంచంలో ఒక అవగాహన తెచ్చారు. అష్టాంగ యోగాతో పాటు, అష్టాంగ యోగా అంటే మీకు తెలిసింది, అందరికీ తెలిసిందే, యమ నియమ ధారణ, ఆసన, అలాగా చాలా ఉన్నాయి. వీటన్నిటిలో కూడా ప్రాణాయామ, అలాగే ఇవన్నీ కూడాతో పాటు ముద్రాస్ కూడా చెయ్యండి అని ప్రపంచానికి ఆయన ఇచ్చిన పిలుపు ఇప్పుడు చాలా అవసరం కూడా. ముద్రాసు మీరు గమనిస్తే దాన్ని ఎక్కడి నుంచో ఎవరో ఏదో చేయక్కర్లేదు, దానికోసం అస్త్రాలు సంపాదించక్కర్లేదు, దానికోసం ఏదో ఒక మాధ్యమాలు యూజ్ చేయక్కర్లేదు. అవి మన దగ్గరే ఉన్నాయి ఆ అస్త్రాలు. ఆ బ్రహ్మాస్త్రాలు అంటే ఏంటంటే, ఈ మన దగ్గర ఉన్న చేతికి ఈ 10 వేళ్ళు ఇవే, వీటి కాంబినేషన్స్ అండ్ పర్ముటేషన్స్తో వీ కెన్ డూ లాట్ ఆఫ్ వండర్స్ టు ఇంప్రూవ్ అవర్ ఫిజికల్ హెల్త్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ సైకలాజికల్ హెల్త్ ఆల్సో. అండ్ ఆల్సో వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, Mudras not only used in improving our physical health and psychological health, but you can see even the dance forms also. Many mudras are being used by different combinations of mixing of the fingers. You can see like this Mohini Attamlo kani, Bharatanatyamlo kani, alage మనం నేర్చుకున్న చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి కుస్తీ పోటీల్లో కానివ్వండి, కెరాటే, కుంఫులో కానివ్వండి, ఈ ముద్రాసు యూస్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అలాగే ఈ ముద్రాసు ఎలా చేస్తాము, అదేమైనా జస్ట్ ఒక రిలాక్సేషన్ టెక్నికా కాదు. ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ స్పెసిఫిక్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ విత్ సమ్ కండిషన్స్. Mudra is channelizing your energy through a combination of different finger combinations, resulting in improving your health, improving your circulatory system, managing your blood pressure. You can see there are thousands of mudras. Sri Patanjali Rishi brought into these mudras into the limelight. So how we have to so I cannot practically train all the or teach all the mudras. I identified 10 mudras practically which are very useful in the present world, who are suffering from stress, who are suffering from physical ailments and illnesses. So you can see the slide. This presentation deals with 10 important mudras that can result in amazing health benefits. Your health is literally in your hands. మీరు గమనిస్తే మన క్యాప్షన్ కూడా మీ జీవితం మీ చేతుల్లోనే,
మీ ఆరోగ్యం కూడా మీ చేతిలో.
మీ జీవితం మీ చేతుల్లోనే అన్నది మనము వాళ్ళ లక్ష్యాల గురించి, వాళ్ళ అసర్టివ్ స్కిల్స్ గురించి అవన్నీ మనం ముందర మాట్లాడుకున్నాం. సో ఇక్కడ మనము శారీరకంగా ఇంప్రూవ్ అవ్వడానికి, మానసిక ఆందోళన తగ్గించుకోవడానికి ముద్రాస్ యూస్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఏంటవి యాక్చువల్గా యూ కెన్ సీ ఈ ముద్ర అన్నది ఇట్స్ సంస్కృత, యూ కెన్ సే ఇట్స్ సంస్కృత పదం. ముద్ర అంటే ఇట్స్ ఎ సీలింగ్ ఈజ్ ఛానలైజింగ్ యువర్ ఎనర్జీ విత్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్ అండ్ ఫింగర్స్. Mudra is a spiritual gesture, an energetic seal of authenticity. And you can say, mudra, you can see by, there are, out of the thousands of mudras, 200 mudras have become popular. Out of that, I took 10, which will make really improve our physical and psychological health. You may ask a few questions. Sir, if I am using some medicines, can I use the mudras? You use, for example, if you are using medicines for diabetes, you are using medicines for blood pressure or rheumatic pains or psychological disorders, please try to continue what your doctor says. So still I request you to do the mudras daily for 10 minutes. Mudras daily for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Either how to do the mudras? Mudras can be done either in the Sukhasana
ఓకే.
or Padmasana or Vajrasana or like this sitting in the chair
కంఫర్టబుల్.
with your both. If you are sitting in the chair, you have to ensure your both feet should touch the ground. I am putting the conditions before going into the first mudra.
ఓకే.
So mudras, what you are going to do is, again I am saying to all the individuals, mudras don't have any side effects.
ఎస్.
ఇప్పుడు యాంటీబయాటిక్స్ వాడితే కొన్ని సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి,
అవును.
తగ్గొచ్చు, కానీ దీంట్లో సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఏం లేవు, ఇర్రెస్పెక్టివ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఎయిల్మెంట్స్. అండ్ హూ షుడ్ డూ ద ముద్రాస్, హూ షుడ్ నాట్ డూ? ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఇన్ దిస్ వరల్డ్ కెన్ డూ ద ముద్రాస్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ 2 category of the people: pregnant women who are 3 months having baby in their womb, pregnant women who are carrying 3 months baby in their womb, and children below 5 years. They should not do the mudras.
ఓకే.
Others they can do. And when it should be done, ఎప్పుడు చేయాలి? ప్రిఫరబుల్లీ ఆఫ్టర్ మార్నింగ్ గెటింగ్ అప్, శుద్ధి కొంచెం స్నానపానాలు అయిన తర్వాత చేస్తే ముద్రాస్ ఎఫెక్టివ్గా ఉంటాయి. ఆర్ ఇఫ్ సమ్మన్ హెస్ కంప్లీటెడ్ ద బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్, యూ కెన్ give a half an hour gap and you can do the mudras. Second is, if you want to do in the evening, after lunch you have to give 2 hours break.
ఓ ఓకే.
And in the evening you want to do, you can do the mudras before dinner, not after dinner.
ఓకే.
Before dinner you have to give a 15-minute gap. So when I say a particular mudra, for example, if I start with first mudra, you can see the first mudra. I will do a sample and you can see this mudra. You can see this is called a mudra of knowledge.
Oh.
You can display, you can see on the screen also the Gnana Mudra. How to do this mudra? First I will tell the benefits before showing them. This mudra is more about relaxation of your nervous system and brain.
Oh.
It will improve your memory. It will improve your sleep patterns.
Oh.
And ఎవరికైనా disturbs, if it is anger that disturbs sleep, they can make it normal. They will get sound sleep. And also it will improve the concentration of the one's individual, especially the students who are going for higher studies, even school exams, even who are preparing for some subject, who are under confused state. They should go for this Gnana Mudra daily for 1 to 5 minutes. And this mudra also very great healing for anger. ఎవరికైనా విపరీతం కోపం ఉంటే, హిస్టరికల్ నేచర్ ఉన్న, డిప్రెషన్ ఫీలింగ్స్ ఉన్న, దిస్ ముద్ర విల్ మేక్ దెమ్ టు రిలాక్స్. This mudra specifically try to do either in the Sukhasana, Padmasana or Vajrasana or in the sitting posture. Ensure you are sitting straight, spinal cord straight. Please try to see. You can see me. You can see me, Andy.
ఓకే.
So you can see me. This next time we'll come with a collar mic. Unfortunately, we don't have collar mic now, but definitely we'll bring the collar mic soon. But please try to see my fingers and also displayed on the screen also. This is the index. This is the thumb, Andy. Index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and the little finger. First, you have to sit straight, spinal cord straight, neck straight. Keep your hand 2 feet away from your ear, and thumb should touch the tip of the thumb to touch the tip of the index finger, and the other 3 fingers should be very near. If possible, try to close your eyes if you are in a disturbed environment, or you can see with eyes open also. Try to do daily 1 mudra, 1 minute. But if you feel 1 mudra is more useful, particular mudra is more beneficial, you can do up to 5 minutes in a day. This mudra, you have to pressurize the tip of the thumb with the tip of the index finger. You can see the blood circulation inside. It will make you completely relax. Again, I am saying these mudras don't have side effects. Try to focus either on the right hand or left hand, where the mudras, the tip of the thumb and the tip of the index finger is meeting. Try to focus on your ears, eyes, panchendriyalu dani meeda jasa pettali. Just relax. Take one deep breath. 1. When I say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, slowly open your eyes. Those who are sitting in front of the medium, you can do the mudras along with me. Please rub your hands. It will give you lot of, thank you, lot of calmness. You can relax. This Gnana Mudra will improve your skills, brain skills. You can say memory skills, concentration. It will activate your pituitary gland and endocrine glands. The 2 glands will work started actively. And we'll go to the second mudra. You can see the second mudra is more about, first I will tell the benefits. Prithvi mudra and mudra of earth. Miru, if you can see some of the individuals, and they eat a lot but they don't increase their weight.
అవును. కొంత
Their digestive system may not support them. Sometimes they are very weak. Immunity is very weak. It will help to this mudra, the Prithvi mudra, mudra of earth. It will, first I will tell the benefits before showing the mudra. This mudra is also displayed on the screen. You can see it helps to increase the weight for weak people.
వీక్ పీపుల్.
And also most of the individuals, some of the individuals, they have skin rashes, skin issues. Their dermopores are really filled up. What they can do is, this mudra will clear the dust content and the toxic content outside the dermopores on the skin. It will make the skin glow also.
ఓ
It will make the whole body active and healthy. It reduces all the physical weaknesses. Kondamandiki, you can see this physical shivering or nervous shocks inside. Or if they want to catch something, a simple thing also, they are not able to catch. So because of the physical weakness in a particular part, the Prithvi mudra, mudra of earth, the main purpose is to increase the physical fitness. It will make our body active. Skin related issues will come down. Increase the weight for the weak people. You may ask, what about the people who are overweight? There is a Surya mudra. I am going to say about the 6th mudra. Not now, later.
ఫస్ట్ ఇది చూ-
So what we have to do with this mudra is,
నేను పట్టు ప్లీజ్, నేను హెల్ప్ చేస్తాను.
so
నేను హెల్ప్ చేస్తాను.
I can show Andy. What about this mudra is, you can see, ఇది అనామిక అంటాం హిందీలో. సో అంగుటి, తర్జని, మాధ్యమ, అనామిక అండ్ కనిష్ట. ఇంగ్లీష్లో తెలుసు, తెలుగులో బ్రొటన వేలు, చూపుడు వేలు, మధ్య వేలు, ఉంగరం వేలు అండ్ చిటికెన వేలు. మీరు ఇప్పుడు మనం ఉంగరం వేలుని బ్రొటన వేలు దగ్గర గోర్లుంటే గోర్లతో గుచ్చకండి, మజిల్ పార్ట్తో చేయండి. అండ్ అదర్ 3 fingers షుడ్ బి వెరీ మచ్ స్ట్రైట్. ద టిప్ ఆఫ్ ద థంబ్ షుడ్ మీట్ ద టిప్ ఆఫ్ ద రింగ్ ఫింగర్ and the blood should circulate inside. Keep your both hands 2 feet away from your ear. Keep your neck straight. Close your eyes. Spinal cord straight. Neck flexible. Both legs on the ground. If you are sitting in a chair, if you are in a Sukhasana or Vajrasana, ensure your spinal cord is very much straight. Close your eyes. Focus. You can see amazing results coming days, coming months if you do consistently the mudras. Again I am saying mudras don't have any side effects. I am doing this practicing for since more than 3 decades. I can see amazing results in me throughout. The tiredness is not there, stamina will improve. You can see your health benefits and it will improve your skills overall. Definitely when these are very good, your health is good, automatically your professional performance will also you will give your best. So concentrate, calm down for a few seconds. Tip of the thumb meeting the tip of the ring finger. Take one deep breath. Do daily for 1 minute. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly open your eyes. Rub your both hands. You can see, calm down, relax. Thank you. Relax back into the chair. You can see the Prithvi Mudra results. Why I identified the 10 mudras is you can see the overall improvement in your whole system. So the third one is called the Varuna Mudra.
వరుణముద్రకి ఫస్ట్
Varuna Mudra.
డ్యూరేషన్ ఎవరెవరు చేయొచ్చు బెనిఫిట్స్ చెప్పేసి మీరు ఆసనం వేసేసి
ముద్రాసు ఇందాక మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేస్తానండి. వరుణ ముద్ర, థర్డ్ ముద్ర, ముద్ర ఆఫ్ వాటర్. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి గుర్తు చేసుకోండి. ముద్రాస్ ఐదర్ అర్లీ మార్నింగ్ చేయొచ్చు శుచి బేసిక్ శుద్ధితో, ఆర్ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ తర్వాత యూ కెన్ గివ్ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ బ్యాక్ అండ్ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ గ్యాప్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ డూ, ఆర్ ఆఫ్టర్ లంచ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ 2 hours గ్యాప్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ డూ ఇన్ ద ఈవినింగ్, ఆర్ బిఫోర్ డిన్నర్ యూ కెన్ డూ. యూ షుడ్ నాట్ డూ ఆఫ్టర్ డిన్నర్. One more thing, you can sit either in the Sukhasana, Vajrasana or Padmasana, or sitting in the chair with both your feet touching the ground. Ensure. And mudras, who should not do? Who should do? Everyone can do except 2 categories of the people. Pregnant women who are carrying more than 3 months baby in their womb, children below 5 years, because both are very sensitive. That's the reason they should not do. Others they can do. You can see and this earth contains more than 70% of the water, and alage this body, our body contains more than 70% of the water. And this mudra of the water, what I'm going to say is, because of the lack of the water, you can see lot of issues will come, like stomach ulcers, acidity, gallbladder issues, kidney related problems. You can see excretory system will get disturbed, and you can see the muscles cramps, because the muscles contains more than 80% of the water. Muscular shrinkage అవుతుంది, అరే gastroenteric problems వస్తాయి. So the balancing water, it is very good. And also through this mudra you can see that the pain in stomach related issues will come down, minimize, and muscles will get strengthened by continuously doing this mudra. This mudra you can see in the dance posture. I will do in the mudra, just I am showing with one hand. You can see when you say, this is a very famous dance posture also. You can see in Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi. So you have to bend your thumb, as well as you have to bend your little finger, and it should be in the Ardha Chandrakara. Other 3 fingers should touch. The index finger, middle finger and the ring finger should touch very close and should be stretched towards the sky, and the tip of the thumb should touch the tip of the little finger. This is the Varuna Mudra. Through this, the mudra of water will enhance. It balances the water content and prevents all the diseases because of lack of water
content.
balance.
Okay.
So again I will show and very simple.
డ్యూరేషన్ అంటే టైం డ్యూరేషన్
Daily this be done. Daily 1 minute. If you feel if someone is suffering with more issues, they can do for 2 to 3 minutes per day,
Okay.
or 1 minute in the morning and 1 minute in the evening. A particular mudra. Please keep, if you are sitting in the chair, please keep your both legs, both feet should touch the ground. Spinal cord straight. Don't take the support of the side stands of the chair, and the tip of the thumb and should touch the tip of the little finger and the other 3 fingers in the Ardha Chandrakara form, and other 3 fingers should be very closely connected and to be stretched towards the sky. Slowly take one deep breath, close your eyes. Don't press with your nails, only with the muscle part. Take one deep breath, inhale and exhale. Concentrate. Neck should be very much, is a sensitive part, don't pressurize it, straight. Spinal cord straight, head straight. Both hands should be 2 feet away from the ear. Daily you can do 1 minute to 2 minutes. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly open your eyes. Release your hands. Pressurize. Rub. If you want to contact us, you can contact me on 9849576121 Ramakrishna Tanikalla. If you want more awareness about this mudras, you want any workshop on mudras, we are going to conduct either at your premises or we'll say the venue and location also. And definitely, if it is a major group, in a major community of your apartment premises also, we are ready to conduct. Or in the corporates, we have already conducted many. Definitely, these mudras don't have any side effects. It will improve not only the physical health and mental health, psychological health. It will also improve your professional health also. You can say professional performance will improve. It will make you calm down, and your team work will improve, and you can focus more on your day-to-day works also. Of course, we do other topics on life skills and other things. So, this topic, we can say this Varuna Mudra. Till now, we spoke about the first one is the Jnana Mudra, Mudra of knowledge. Second one is the Prudvi Mudra. And the third one is the Varuna Mudra. Now we are going to say one of the important mudra. This is called the fourth one, Vayu Mudra.
ఒక break.
I think it is being displayed.
Break.
Yes, Mudra of air. After this, we can give the break.
Okay,
again.
అండి.
So, Mudra of air. These 4 mudras also. After this, we'll give a small break for 1 minute. Meanwhile, my friend who is going to see watching all this, doing the work, he will show all the mudras also, 1 to 4. And Vayu Mudra is Mudra of air, and you can see most of the 70% of the people, irrespective of their ages, suffer with rheumatic problems, joint pains, arthritis, cervical spondylitis, gas problems. You can say Parkinson's disease and sudden shivering. Sometimes
yes.
you can say and cramps and disorder of the gas. You can see most of the people, they suffer irrespective of the ages. Earlier these problems used to come after age 50, 60. Now even at the age 30, most of the young people, they are complaining and getting also. It prevents this mudra. Vayu mudra is it prevents is about Vayu is air. Mudra of air. It prevents all the diseases that occur because of imbalance of the air. This mudra actually you can do as much as you can. Preferably, I suggest if someone is suffering with severe rheumatic problems, joint pain, cervical spondylitis, even persons with suffering with paralytical issues, they can do daily 3 times. Daily morning 5 minutes, evening 5 minutes, and before dinner 5 minutes, with the help of the one of the family members or assistant or whoever it is. And for better results, you can practice for 1 or 2 months. You can see amazing results and continue also. Again, I am saying mudras don't have any side effects, and it cures the rheumatic problems, arthritis, joint pains. You can see, and also corrects the disorder of the gas. You can first I am showing this my finger, and you can see all the fingers it displayed. You can zoom onto my finger. You can see my all the fingers. You can see. And I am bending my index finger. First you can see all the lines on my index finger. One is called the top line, one is called the middle line, and one is called the base line. So why I am saying this, when I am saying the mudras, definitely there is a connection. What you have to do, first I am showing with one hand. What you have to do is, this is a demonstration only. Again, I will show the practical way. You have to bend your index finger. You have to bend your index finger, and you keep your thumb on the, you can see, and if you can zoom, thumb on the top line of the index finger, and pine line, and still there is a gap. You can see here. So the gap should be minimized. So I am showing again, and index finger bend cheyadam first step, thumb top line of the index finger మీద పెట్టడము, the gap beyond that index finger, it should be minimized, ఎంత తగ్గించి, and the other three fingers are like this, it should be come down very close knit. Let me do in a very practical way. I will tell again the conditions, Andy. So keep your spinal cord straight, and both hands you can keep 2 feet away from the ear. Both the feet should touch the base of the ground, and bend your index finger, both hands, and keep your thumb on the top line of the index finger. Keep the other three fingers very close, spinal cord straight, neck straight. Take 4 or 5 deep breaths, inhale and exhale. Don't hold the breath. Concentrate on either hand where your thumb is meeting the top line of the index finger. If you are having severe rheumatic joint pains problems, you can do morning 3 minutes and evening 3 minutes. Take one deep breath, inhale and exhale. You can post your any issues in the comment box also, or you can call me on 984957621, or you can later also contact me for any clarifications. Initially there will be discomfort because you bend, because you are not accustomed to do it. Slowly rub your both hands and call like this, so whatever the pressure built in the hand will get cleared. These I am saying practically, I am doing since 3 decades, and I am teaching in my classes, practically doing workshops. Apart from my life skills, behavioral skills training programs, I am also voluntarily giving this mudras as a part after the training session for 35 to 45 minutes. This is having immensely benefited thousands of people across India. You can see, and more people, they are practically using this, who went abroad and different places also, they are using practically as a part of daily ritual also. Here I am going to give a small break. What you can see during the break is all the 4 mudras for about a 1 minute break. Just we will give a small break. So meanwhile, during the break, all the 4 mudras 1, 2, 3, 4 will be displayed. Mudra of knowledge, Jnana Mudra, Prithvi Mudra, we can say Varuna Mudra and Vayu Mudra will be displayed, and we'll come back and complete the other 6 mudras very soon. వీక్షిస్తున్న ప్రేక్షకులందరికీ నమస్కారం వన్స్ అగైన్ అండి. దమయంతి గారు, థ్యాంక్ యూ. యు ఆర్ గివింగ్ మీ రైట్ సపోర్ట్ బై హోల్డింగ్ ద మైక్ కంటిన్యూస్లీ. సారీ ఫర్ దట్. అండ్ వాట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు సే ఈస్ mudras don't have any side effects. Pregnant women and children below 5 years, they should not do, preferably they should not do, and others they can do as per their convenience. And either they can sit in the sitting posture on the ground floor, or they can sit in the chair. And also either they can do in the morning before breakfast, or after breakfast half an hour gap. In the evening they can do after lunch, after 2 hours gap, or before dinner. And we'll come back immediately after the break, within a few seconds, 1 minute.
అండి మరి రామకృష్ణ గారు ప్రముఖ సైకాలజిస్ట్ అండి. రామకృష్ణ తనికెళ్ళ గారి గురించి కొత్తగా చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం ఎవరికీ లేదు. ఈ ట్విన్ సిటీస్లో అందరికీ పాపులర్ మరి ప్రొఫెషనల్ అని చెప్పాలి. ఆయన ఎంతో సేవ చేస్తున్నారండి, సమాజ సేవ కూడా. ఆయన ఈరోజు మన ఆరోగ్యం మీ జీవితం మీ చేతుల్లోనే అనే కార్యక్రమంలో భాగంగా మన ఆరోగ్యం గురించి చక్కని శ్రద్ధ ఎలా తీసుకోవాలనేది ఎంతో అద్భుతంగా వివరిస్తున్నారు, ముద్రల గురించి. ఇప్పుడు మనం మరో ముద్రలోకి వెళ్దామండి.
తప్పకుండా. మనం ఇప్పటివరకు 4 ముద్రలు నేర్చుకున్నాం. ప్రేక్షకులందరికీ నమస్కారం. నమస్కారం దమయంతి గారు. ఫస్ట్ వి స్పోక్ అబౌట్ ద జ్ఞాన ముద్ర, దెన్ వి స్పోక్ అబౌట్ ద పృథ్వీ ముద్ర, బెనిఫిట్స్ అండ్ స్పెషాలిటీ, and also we spoke about the third mudra called the varana mudra, mudra of water, and fourth one we spoke about mudra of air, vayu mudra. Ippudu fifth mudra ki veldamandi. Fifth mudra is the shunya mudra. You can see on the displaying on the screen also. Shunya mudra is mudra of emptiness. So mudra, what happens is the method, before saying about the method, it reduces all the dullness in the body basically, and it will someone is having some ear problems, it will it relieves the earache in few minutes also. Wonderful mudra. And also useful for the people who are having the problems related to the response levels in the brain. కొంతమందిని ఛాలెంజ్డ్ పీపుల్ ఉంటే కనుక వాళ్ళకి రెస్పాన్స్ లెవెల్స్ తక్కువ ఉంటాయి. ఆ రెస్పాన్స్ లెవెల్స్ని యాక్టివేట్ చేయడానికి, బ్రెయిన్ యాక్టివ్ అవ్వడానికి దిస్ ముద్ర ఇస్ వెరీ మచ్ యూస్ఫుల్. అండ్ డెఫినెట్లీ మళ్ళీ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఫర్ ద ప్రెగ్నెంట్ పీపుల్ అండ్ చిల్డ్రన్ బిలో 5 years. దే షుడ్ నాట్ డూ ద ముద్రస్, అదర్స్ దే కెన్ డూ. అండ్ బేసికల్లీ హౌ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ, and you can see amazing results because it will make the whole body really improve and active అవుతుంది. ఇయర్ రిలేటెడ్ ఇష్యూస్, డల్నెస్ తగ్గడము, డల్నెస్ తగ్గి యాక్టివ్గా అవ్వడము, అలాగే బ్రెయిన్కి రెస్పాన్స్ లెవెల్స్, కొంతమంది స్తబ్దతతో నిరాసక్తతో ఉంటారు, వాళ్ళకి బాడీ అంత యాక్టివ్ అవ్వడానికి ఈ ముద్ర చాలా బెనిఫిట్ అవుతుంది. సో లెట్స్ క్విక్లీ గో టు ద శూన్య ముద్ర, హౌ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు బి డన్. Again I am saying for the people, for the ప్రేక్షకులు ఎవరైనా ఇప్పుడే జాయిన్ అయ్యి ఉంటే, ముద్రాస్ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఎనీ మెడిసిన్స్, యూ యూజ్ దట్ మెడిసిన్స్ యాజ్ పర్ యువర్ డాక్టర్ ప్రిస్క్రైబ్. అండ్ ఆల్సో ప్లీజ్ ట్రై టు డూ దిస్ ముద్రాస్ యాజ్ పర్ ద కన్వీనియన్స్, ఐదర్ ఇన్ ద మార్నింగ్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ద ఈవినింగ్ ఆర్ బిఫోర్ డిన్నర్, in the night. So this you should not do after dinner. That's please, it's a cautionary note. And also I will show the Sunya Mudra very quickly. And
మెథడ్ చెప్తారా?
మెథడ్ ఇదేంటంటే, the thing is you can see the fingers are like this, you can see, and especially we are focusing on the zoom. If you can see, it's the middle finger. There are 3 lines. It's the top line, middle line, and the base line. When you bend your the top, the middle finger, you are bending, you should keep your thumb, and now I am showing with the single hand, you should keep your thumb on the top line of the middle finger, and the gap should come down. You can see the gap should come out, and the other 3 fingers, the index finger, ring finger, and the little finger should be stretched towards the sky. I will show with the both hands and once. Okay sir. So what you can see, if you are doing with the mudras especially, you can see mudras don't have any side effects. Either you can do in the Sukhasana, Vajrasana, or sitting posture in the chair. When you are sitting in the chair, you have to keep your spinal cord straight, neck straight, keep your body relaxed, take one deep breath, and keep your both feet 2 feet away from the ear. చెవుల నుంచి 2 feet దూరంగా పెట్టుకోండి. అండ్ యూ ప్లీజ్ బెండ్ యువర్ మిడిల్ ఫింగర్ అండ్ కీప్ యువర్ థంబ్ ఆన్ ద టాప్ లైన్ అండ్ ప్రెషరైజ్ ద థంబ్ with on the top line of the middle finger, so there will not be any gap behind, and the other 3 fingers should be stretched towards the sky. Take a few breaths, inhale and exhale, don't hold the breath, and concentrate either of the hand, right hand or left hand, concentrate on it for some seconds, 60 to 120 seconds, as per your convenience, as per your comfort also. రక్త ప్రసరణ అవ్వాలి. టచ్ చేస్తే అంత ఎఫెక్ట్ ఏమి ఉండదు. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రెషరైజ్ ద థంబ్ ఆన్ ద పర్టిక్యులర్ ఫింగర్. ఇయర్ ఇట్ ఈస్, ఇన్ ద కేస్ ఇయర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ టాప్ లైన్ ఆఫ్ ద మిడిల్ ఫింగర్. Pressurize for few seconds. Daily you can do either in the morning or evening as per your convenience. Don't do any mudra continuously for 5 minutes. 1 minute is enough, but if you feel the particular mudra is more useful, you can do for more number of minutes, 1 to 5 minutes. Slowly I'm releasing my finger. You can see and rub both hands. Thank you very much అండి. And
ఒక్కసారి శూన్య ముద్ర చూపిస్తారా?
శూన్య ముద్ర చూపిస్తున్నాను on the screen. And also you can see with the one hand I'm showing అండి. What you can do is
మీరు మొత్తం చూపించండి. ఆల్రెడీ నోట్స్ ఇచ్చేసారు కదా మీరు.
శూన్య ముద్ర. See the both
శూన్య ముద్ర ఓకే అండి. కీప్ ద మిడిల్ ఫింగర్ at the
keep the middle finger straight, all the fingers straight, middle finger ni bend cheyandi. On the top line you can see the thumb dani midiki teeskurandi, and the other three fingers should be stretched towards the sky. Keep your spinal cord straight, neck straight, relax, take a few breaths, concentrate for 60 to 120 seconds. ఒక నిమిషం నుంచి 2 నిమిషాలు. ఏ ఆలోచనలు వస్తున్నా ఆపకండి. డోంట్ స్టాప్ ద థాట్స్, డోంట్ స్టాప్ ద ఫ్లో ఆఫ్ ద థాట్స్. ఓన్లీ ట్రై టు ఫోకస్ ధారణ, either of that. Slowly open your eyes, release your fingers, rub. Open. This is the Shunya Mudra. One of the important mudras, most of our prekshakulu, most of the people, including me also, especially when I have to do, we will be focusing on the sixth mudra, Surya Mudra. It is about reducing weight. So, after some age, nowadays, even the younger people, they are increasing their weight. Cholesterol levels is increasing. Thyroidal problems are coming. So, the Surya Mudra is about sharpening, you can say, the center in the thyroid gland. When it is gets swelling, it affects the whole body, and it will increase the weight also. Increasing the weight because of many factors. And the main benefits of this Surya Mudra is to reduce the cholesterol levels, bad cholesterol levels in the body, and to reduce the weight. It will not come in a night. You have to do for over months. And also psychologically, it reduces the anxiety, duduku. And also it corrects the indigestion problem. See, you can see the multi benefits. You can see many benefits to this Surya Mudra. Mudra of the sun. Either you can do, I suggest preferably try to do these mudras, especially before breakfast. Early in the morning after getting up, brushing and doing the basic formalities, and try to do, or after breakfast, half an hour gap. So what you have to do this mudra, like what we have done with the earlier mudra of Shunya Mudra or Vayu Mudra, you have to first I'll demonstrate with a single hand. And so you have to bend your ring finger, and you have to keep your thumb on the top line of the ring finger, reduce the gap, and the other three fingers should be stretched towards the sky. You understood? Slowly. Zoom చేస్తే కనబడుతుంది. So I will show with the both hands and so I am showing, you can see the spinal cord, you can see the spinal cord, you have to be straight, neck straight, and we are bending the both hands. So you can see the ring finger, ఉంగరం వేలిని కొద్దిగా బెండ్ చేస్తున్నాము, and the thumb, you can see it is, we are keeping on the top line of the ring finger. Other three fingers are stretching towards the sky. Closing your eyes and reducing the gap beyond the ring finger. Neck straight. Take few deep breaths. Daily, if you are overweight, if your BMI is more than 26, please try to do more time. Morning 5 minutes and evening 5 minutes consistently. If someone is using the medicines, please try to use continue as per your doctor advice, but try to do this mudra so you can have very wonderful positive impact, and the benefits will come in the coming days, coming months, if you do consistently. Consistency is the key. Mudras don't have any side effects. Slowly open your eyes. Daily do this mudra, either morning or in the evening. Rub your both hands. This Surya Mudra is about the sixth mudra, the mudra of the sun. So next mudra is about the Prana Mudra. Prana Mudra is mudra of the life. You can say prana itself mudra of the life. You can see, especially after the COVID scenario, everyone is focusing on improving their immunity. This mudra, you can say, it improves the immunity. eye related problems, it will get come down. If someone is having vitamin A, B, C, D deficiency, this mudra will act like a boost. And someone will get immediately lot of fatigue, alisipovam, restlessness, చిన్న వాటికి డల్గా అయిపోవడం. దిస్ ముద్ర విల్ యాక్టివేట్. Of course, it reduces the clamps in blood vessels, and it will become, your body will become more strong and active also. How to, and there is no specific time duration. Preferably, I suggest always after breakfast give half an hour gap. Don't do before, after dinner, after lunch 2 hours gap. So, and also you can say it will make you more stronger when you're dull or maybe after hectic work. Try to do this prana mudra. Apart from this, it will make you the longevity of the life is one of the benefits. So how to do these mudras? If you go back to the Varuna mudra, no need to go now, but Varuna mudra we know what we have done like this. The tip of the thumb touching the tip of the little finger, and also now the tip of the ring finger should touch this port. Step 1 chudandi ikkada, then I will show in a complete way. You are bending your thumb, you are bending your ring finger, little finger, and now it is in a ardha chandrakara, and the tip of the ring finger should touch these particular both finger edges also. No, other 2 fingers should come close. So slowly again I will show with my both hands. You can see 2 feet away from the ear. The tip of the thumb should touch the tip of the little finger, and the tip of the ring finger should touch this both tips, and the other 2 fingers should touch towards the sky. Close your eyes, spinal cord straight, both feet on the ground. If you are in the Sukhasana or Vajrasana or Padmasana, try to keep your spinal cord straight. Don't take any support. Keep for some time. This mudra you can do for 1 minute in the morning and evening. I suggest close your eyes. I focus on the particular point, tip of the thumb, where these other 2 fingers tips are meeting. It will improve. You can see a lot of positive, proactive changes throughout the body. It will make you improve your body activeness. Fatigue will come down. Slowly open your eyes. So the 7th mudra you can see, the prana mudra, mudra of the life. So this is a wonderful mudra. I have done in one of the TV shows long time back about the 8th mudra. Only 8th mudra I spoke a long time. Mudra of the digestion. If someone watches movies, this is called the Baba mudra.
Oh,
BA mudra. So this is called Apana. Apana is mudra of the digestion. Apana is the mudra of digestion. So it plays an important role on our health. It regulates not only the excretory system, digestive system, and reproductive system also. And this mudra is called diabetic control mudra also. See, India is called the diabetic capital of the world. So it cures the constipations, piles. If someone is having urinary problems, they can do this mudra. You can see wonderful effect of urine problems coming down, gastric, gynec related problems, and someone excretion. Someone someone's they don't go for motion after 5 days also. Someone goes daily 4 or 5 times also because of the not having a proper digestive and excretory system. This mudra really helps to excrete the normal waste regularly. It will regulate the diabetic levels where the insulin levels will be produced on a regular basis. It cures the constipation and piles. 8th mudra we are showing, Andi, Apana mudra. It is being shown. It is being shown, I think, Apana mudra. So mudra of the digestion. So the tip of the, you can see here, the mudra is a bit confusing. You can see my hand, I am showing with my right hand, that you have to bend your middle finger and the ring finger to some extent. The tip of the thumb should touch the tip of the middle finger and the tip of the ring finger. and the other two fingers should stretch towards the sky. This mudra is also called the Hirana mudra. Hirana is a deer mudra. ఎందుకంటే ఒక కెర్టిన్ వైపు నుంచి చూస్తే దూరం నుంచి చూస్తే ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ ఏ డీర్ ఈటింగ్ ద గ్రాస్. సో ఇట్స్ ఎ వెరీ పవర్ఫుల్ ముద్ర. If someone is having these problems like diabetic, constipation, piles, or digestive problems, or excretory issues, please try to do more times, either in the morning, afternoon, or in the evening. So the tip of the middle finger and the ring finger should touch. I will show with both hands. So first you have to keep your both hands 2 feet away from the 2 feet away from the ear. And both feet should touch the ground if you are sitting in a chair. In the Sukhasana or Vajrasana or Padmasana, please keep your spinal cord straight. First, tip of the thumb should touch the tip of the middle finger and the tip of the ring finger, and the other two fingers should be stretched towards the sky. If someone is suffering or having these ailments, what I said, please try to do daily morning 5 minutes and evening 5 minutes. Others, they can do morning 1 minute and evening 1 minute. Inhale and exhale. Mudras don't have any side effects. Children below 5 years and pregnant women, they should not do the mudras. It's a, and others they can do. These mudras have immense benefits. Someone is using the medicines what your doctor prescribed, still continue the medicines and also try to do these mudras. You can see amazing benefits. After 1 minute or 2 minutes, rub your both hands. Thank you. And so the mudras, what you have to do is regulate the diabetic. I mean, insulin levels will come, and also constipation issues, piles related issues, excretory digestive problems can get minimized by continuously doing. Like I suggest, like brushing your teeth, like taking your bath, or going to office or a job or a school, how you go regularly, try to do these mudras as a daily ritual. So there is no holiday for mudras. Try to do it. Like safety has no holiday. On the other day we have done one safety video. So like that, safety, these mudras also, please don't make it an excuse or I'm busy, but it will take hardly 5 to 10 minutes daily. The next 9th mudra andi, Apana Vayu mudra. 9th mudra. It's called the mudra of the heart. It is displayed on the screen. We are conducting these workshops since 2 decades, more than 23 years in the area of life skills, behavioral skills, leadership, change management. More than 45 topics being covered. I am Ramakrishna Tanikalai. If you want, of course, I am also conducting these mudras as a part voluntarily, apart from the training programs I conduct. Practically, I am doing this mudra since 3 decades, and also more than 1 lakh people got benefited through these mudras, and most of the people still they are using. They write to me thousands of messages that they are getting immense benefit. I request all the spectators, audiences who are watching, please educate about the mudras to your families, to your neighbors, relatives, to your colleagues. Do as a you can say like a tapas. Do as like a ritual on a daily basis. Coming back to the 9th mudra, we have total 10 mudras. Apana Vayu mudra, mudra of the heart. Nowadays, even the younger people, they are suffering with a lot of panic attacks, irregular heartbeats, low blood pressure, high blood pressure. So this mudra is Apana Vayu mudra is an extension of the Apana mudra of the what we said about the Baba mudra. So even the heart patients and the BP patients, they have to practice daily for more than 15 minutes in 3 different occasions, 5 minutes. It will regulate the heartbeat. It strengthens the heart and minimizes, regularizes the palpitation, kallu tiragadalu ivanni, and also it regulates the excretory system. Someone is suffering with, because sometimes what happens is if someone is having the gastric related issues, it will pump to the heart. So gastric trouble ni kuda taggestund. it benefits like the heart. It works like an injection. You can say like sorbitate or whatever it is the doctor said, and reduces the gas content. And practice as many times as you can. Preferably, I suggest, irrespective of your age, those who are above 25, I suggest you to do daily 3 times. Morning before breakfast, evening after lunch 2 hours break, and before dinner half an hour before. Try to do this mudra, Apana Vayu Mudra, mudra of the heart. So it balances, and at least minimum twice you can do. I request you to do. And it works, it reduces the problems related to the heart attack also, you can see. It will strengthen the heart, regularizes the blood pressure. I request, please inform your family members who are having issues or who are not having, but still those who cross 40s, please try to do on regular basis. Even the younger people, they have to do. Coming back to this mudra, Apana Vayu Mudra, how they have to do? We already done the tip of the thumb. You should touch the tip of the middle finger and the tip of the ring finger. This we have done on the Apana Vayu Mudra. If you go back to the 8th mudra, once I request to show the 8th mudra also. This mudra of the digestion. This now what we are doing in the 9th mudra now, Apana Vayu Mudra, the tip of the thumb is touching the tip of the middle finger and the tip of the ring finger, and you can see the tip of the index finger is touching the base of the thumb. It's an extension of the Apana Mudra, Apana Vayu Mudra. Here, because you can see this finger more is about, you can say Vayu Mudra, we have done this index finger. So we are Apana plus Vayu. So tip of the thumb touching the tip of the middle finger and the tip of the ring finger, and the index finger is touching the base of the thumb, and the little finger is stretched towards the sky. I will show with both hands very quickly. Take one deep breath, inhale and exhale. Thank you, Andy. Take one deep breath, inhale and exhale. Keep your both hands 2 feet away from the ear. Please, spinal cord straight, head straight, neck straight. Take 1 or 2 deep breaths. Don't hold the breath. The tip of the thumb should touch the tip of the middle finger and the tip of the ring finger, and the tip of the index finger should touch the base of the thumb. మీ బ్రొటనవేలు edge should touch the middle finger and ring finger. ఇచ్చేసేసాం ఆల్రెడీ. ఇదే సేమ్ ఎక్స్టెన్షన్లో the base of the చూపుడు వేలు, the tip of the index finger, చూపుడు వేలుది base of the thumbలో చేయాలి. And the little finger ఉంది కదండి, అది should be stretched towards the sky. Take one deep breath, inhale and exhale. Do daily, morning for 1 minute at least, evening 1 minute. Those who are having health related issues related to the heart, please try to do more times. Slowly open your eyes, relax. We spoke about Jnana Mudra. Just we can show one to top. One. Because one more only left. The first one is the Jnana Mudra. You can see the Mudra of the knowledge. It's related to relaxation of your nervous system. Second one is the Prithvi Mudra, Mudra of the earth. It is about skin related issues, tagadaniki, body active ga undadaniki, increasing the weight. And the third one is the Varuna Mudra, Mudra of the water. You can say gastric related problems, stomach related issues, or muscle shrinkage avutunte, or you can say acidic problems unna, or you can say blood thick ga ayipodam valla blood balancing avadamu, ivanni kuda handle chestam. The fourth one is about the Vayu Mudra. You can see Mudra of the air. And this mudra is about controlling your joint pains, reducing your rheumatic problems, cervical spondylitis, shivering, ivanni taggadaniki Vayu Mudra. With the index finger we have done. Shunya Mudra is more about handling you can say the ear related issues, or brain response levels peragadaniki. You can say this mudra with the middle finger we have done. And next mudra is about the reducing your weight, obesity control, you can say cholesterol levels control cheyadaniki, you can say with this ring finger bending we have done all this, and try to, and also sharpens the center of the thyroid gland, and also gastric related problems, anxiety, indigestion problems ni kuda manage chestundi. Prana mudra is more about the seventh mudra which is being displayed. It's more about the longevity of the life, body ni active cheyadamu, విటమిన్ డెఫిషియన్సీ కంట్రోల్ చేయడము, పవర్ ఆఫ్ ద ఐ రిలేటెడ్ డిసీజెస్ ని తగ్గించడానికి ఇవన్నీ చేస్తుంది. ఆపాన ముద్ర, ముద్ర ఆఫ్ ద డైజెషన్, అవి స్పోక్ ఆల్రెడీ. దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ద టిప్ ఆఫ్ ద థంబ్, ఇవన్నీ చెప్పాము. ఇట్స్ రెగ్యులేట్ ద డయాబెటిక్, కాన్స్టిపేషన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, పైల్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ఎక్స్క్రిటరీ డైజెస్టివ్ సిస్టమ్స్ని మేనేజ్ చేస్తుంది. అండ్ వీ స్పోక్ జస్ట్ నో అబౌట్ ద ఆపాన వాయు ముద్ర, ముద్ర ఆఫ్ ద హార్ట్, regulates the heart. Now we are going to show the last one. Please, this mudra of strengthening the lungs, the linga mudra, the mudra of the heat and energy. చాలా మందికి సీజన్ మారుతుంటే కఫం వస్తుంటుంది, దగ్గు వస్తూ ఉంటుంది. కఫం అవన్నీ తగ్గడానికి బ్రాంకియల్ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్స్, రెస్పిరేటరీ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్స్, ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు మినిమైజ్ ఇట్, అండ్ ఇట్ ఇన్విగరేట్స్ ద బాడీ. సమ్మన్ ఈస్ సఫరింగ్ విత్ కోల్డ్ అండ్ బ్రాంకియల్ ఇన్ఫెక్షన్, definitely try to do this mudra. And I will say, and this mudra really have immediate effect also. And you can see the sweating, even if you are in a very cold temperature, you can get the arms and both palms getting sweating also after doing this mudra. And also this mudra, again I am saying, especially children below 5 years కొంతమంది రావచ్చు, కానీ అవి చేయకండి. ఫ్లమ్ కాఫ్ అది ముద్ర ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళ ఫింగర్స్ చాలా సెన్సిటివ్గా ఉంటాయి. అలాగే ప్రెగ్నెంట్ ఉమెన్, children below 5 years, they should not do, others they can do. I will show especially this thing directly. This is very much, please listen, these it generates heat in the body, you can see, and try to do all the 10 mudras. If you feel this, you want to increase your lungs capacity, because lungs are not only the respiratory organs, they are also purifying organs of the blood also. So lungs plays an important part in our body functioning. So this includes 6 steps. I will show one day with both hands. You can say first, you show your left hand index finger and right hand index finger. The right hand index finger should be on the left hand index finger. In this, when we are doing the mudra, rule 1 is when you are clubbing all the fingers, the right hand index finger should be on the left hand index finger. Okay, I am showing all the thing on it. So first keep your both hands like this, make very near, club all the fingers. The rule what I said is, you can say the rule what I said, you can zoom on it. The rule what I said, the right hand index finger should be on the left hand index finger, club all. Now the left hand thumb ila separate ga unchudandi, it should be come to the center of the right hand thumb and index finger మధ్యలోకి రావాలి. Again I am showing the first step, club all the fingers, right hand index finger should be on the top, club the left hand thumb and encircle the left hand thumb with right hand thumb and the right hand index finger, and the fingers which are open, very close it. Again like this you do, and the left hand thumb should come straight. 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Left hand thumb. Now you have to keep straight about 2 or 3 feet away from your bindi part, the Agneya chakra. First see your tip of the thumb. Now close your eyes. Club all the fingers straight. Daily do, morning once 1 minute, evening once 1 minute. Those who are suffering with lung related issues, they can increase the time duration, morning 5 minutes and evening 5 minutes. You can do focus, imagine that tip of the thumb, take few deep breaths 4 or 5 times. Slowly release your fingers. You can see the sweating. Thank you very much. These mudras, again I am saying, repeating before concluding, I am doing since last 3 decades, apart from my life skills, behavioral skills, training sessions. If you have any doubts, clarifications, these mudras, you can call me on, my name is Ramakrishna Tanikalla, 9849576121. Mudras don't have any side effects in it. Anywhere, anytime you can do. You can watch these mudras through your mobile also, or through laptop, and also you can download, you can see these mudras through my YouTube link and continuously try to do. And also my number details, Ramakrishna Tanikalla from Ramakrishna Management Services, is being displayed. We are also into soft skills in corporate training, and of course I am doing this on holistic health. As a part of the holistic health sciences, I am doing this mudras. And really thank you, ma'am, and for giving the opportunity. And let's continue this journey of making a healthy world. Our contribution will make through these mudras. Any things you can contact me on 9849576121. అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు. నమస్తే, జై హింద్.
చాలా బాగా చెప్పారండి. అయితే ఈ ముద్రలన్నీ కూడా అందరూ మరి మీ నిజ జీవితంలో కూడా అప్లై చేసుకుని వారు చూపించినట్టుగా మనకి ఏ ముద్ర ఎలా వేయాలి, ఏ టైంలో వేయాలి, ఎంతసేపు వేయాలి, మరి ప్రెగ్నెంట్ లేడీస్
చేయకూడదు, చిల్డ్రన్ బిలో 5 years కూడా చేయకూడదు. అండ్ హార్ట్ పేషెంట్స్, బీపీ పేషెంట్స్, లంగ్ రిలేటెడ్ ఇష్యూస్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు అందరూ కూడా చేయొచ్చు. వాళ్ళు జాగ్రత్తగా ఇంకో అసిస్టెంట్ పక్కన పెట్టుకుని చేయడం మంచిది. అలాగే మార్నింగ్ బిఫోర్ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ చేయడం మంచిది. లేదా బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ అయితే ఒక 1/2 hour గ్యాప్ ఇవ్వాలి. లంచ్ తర్వాత ఒక 2 hours గ్యాప్ ఇవ్వడం. సుఖాసనంలో హాయిగా చేయొచ్చు కింద కూర్చునే వాళ్ళు. లేదు అంటే వజ్రాసనం వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు వజ్రాసనం, పద్మాసనం వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు పద్మాసనంలో కూర్చొని చేయొచ్చు. లేదా కుర్చీలో కింద కూర్చోలేకపోతే కుర్చీలో కూర్చొని కూడా చేయొచ్చు. బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫాలో ద బేసిక్ నామ్స్, లైక్ బోత్ ఫిట్ షుడ్ టచ్ ద గ్రౌండ్. అండ్ ముద్రాస్ ఇవి ఎప్పటి నుంచో కొన్ని వేల సంవత్సరాల నుంచి ఉన్నాయి. మన జీవితం మన అందుబాటులోనే, మన చేతుల్లోనే. ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మింగ్ లైఫ్స్.
మీ జీవితం మీ చేతిలోనే, మీ ఆరోగ్యం కూడా మీ చేతిలోనే. అలాగే మరి దీని గురించిన అంటే ప్రత్యక్షంగా మేము నేర్చుకోవాలనుకునేవారు తప్పకుండా మీరు శిక్షణలో చేరొచ్చు. శిక్షణ తరగతుల్లో చేరొచ్చు, మీరు చక్కగా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. వారు అవైలబుల్గా ఉంటారు. ఆ టైమింగ్స్ మీకు కావాలంటే మీరు ఎన్రోల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. మీ నెంబర్ని 9849576121 కాల్ చేసి మరి మీ పేరుని నమోదు చేసుకోవాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాము. తప్పకుండా వారి సర్వీసెస్, వారి సేవల్ని మీరు తప్పకుండా ఉపయోగించుకుని చక్కగా లబ్ధి పొందవలసిందిగా కోరుతూ అందరి ఆరోగ్యంగా, హాయిగా, హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాం. మరి ఈ కార్యక్రమం ఇంతటితో
ధన్యవాదాలండి అందరికీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ, థ్యాంక్ యూ ప్రేక్షకులందరికీ. నమస్కారం.